Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharon Rose Master Lizeles Valle. So for today, I am going to share with you the vision, my Atomy vision, and at the same time, the reasons why I choose Atomy. Allow me first to share with you my PowerPoint presentation. Please bear with me because I'm not so good when it comes to technical, something like that. Okay, so okay, please wait for a moment. Okay, can you see? Please give me reaction if you could see my PowerPoint presentation.
Yes, we can see.
Okay,
Yeah.
so as I am telling you, I am going to share with you my Atomy visions and the reason why I choose Atomy. But before that, I would like to introduce myself and what did I do before meeting Atomy or doing the Atomy business. I was a public school teacher way back in the Philippines. Anyway, I'm originally from the Philippines, and at that time, I am really fascinated with Korean drama. So I dream of having a Korean husband, and that dream came true. So I need to go to Korea, flew to Korea to build a family. Okay, so now I am living with my husband and with my two kids here in Korea. But before that, when I was a kid, I am really dreaming to become rich. So if others have American dream, I have also what we call Korean dream because way back in the Philippines, even if I am already have this license of a public school teacher, I am earning maybe not enough to become rich. Okay, so uh, I'm thinking that if I will go to other countries, maybe I could earn much more for greener pasture, something like that. But when I went to Korea, all my expectation are not rich because my husband, yeah, he can provide the basic necessities, but he is not rich enough to provide all my wants and my needs. So what I did is to find tool in order for me to become rich. And so I did some network marketings while I am in Korea. And I also did traditional business, online selling. Like I bought a lot of things in Namdaemon or in Dongdaemon and I sell it online. And when I already learned the language, that's the time that I started to do some other jobs. Like I became also one of the English teacher in an academy and one-on-one teaching with the kids and also mentor for those people or for those new Filipina who went to Korea and get married with Koreans and also teaching the Korean culture in English. And I did a lot of job, but unfortunately, I did not become rich. That's why I am in Atomy. Okay, so in 2016, there is a rumor of Atomy Philippines opening. So the Korean leaders, what they did is to find a member that could speak in English and at the same time in Filipino and also in Korean. And to make the story short, they meet me and they are really lucky enough. Do you agree? Because they met me during that time. And then at that time they just told me to translate for those Filipino who will come to Korea and to know more about the Arami business last 2016. And then they told me also to use the products because as you can see on the photo on the left side, this is already a photo. during my wedding day. I have a lot of pimples, as you can see. Since this is a photo, it's not clear, but actually I have a lot of pimples here on my face. And then at that time, my sponsor told me that I want to get rid of your pimples. I want to help you. So she told me and recommended me to use the Atomy Evening Care Set. And at that time, it's the Atomy Acne Care Expert, the set also. So I use it consistently for 2 months. And then after that, the pimples are gone. But then marks and deep scars left on my face. So in 2018, the Atomy Absolute Skincare, the Atomy Absolute Skincare was launched. And then during that time, I changed my skincare from Acne Care Special into the Absolute. And now, as you can see on the screen and as you can see on the photo, the after photo was really amazing because it gives a very good effect on my face. Pimples are gone and the deep scars become shallow, and then you cannot, if you can see me in person, you cannot, if you are a little bit far away, you cannot no longer see the deep scars on my face and also the dark spots on my face as well. So with that, I believe that this company has a good product, has a lot of good products. So I think this is a good business. I think about that during that time. So so I decided to do the Arome business. And my sponsor also told me to dress up. As you can see on the left side, we are big business, right? Atomy is a big global business. But if you share the Atomy to people with the left attire, then nobody will think that this Atomy business is a big business. So that's the reason also why I choose to change my attire into business attire. So I did change my skin tone, and then I changed the way I dress up. And then for 1 year, I attended Success Academy and 1 day seminar without any absences. And there is where the problem is because I was brainwashed. You know what? Because if attending the Success Academy and 1 day seminar for 1 year, you will be brainwashed and you will be realizing something that the thing that you are doing right now is not for life, or it's not uh, a passive income but active income, something like that. So so in 2017, I decided to do the Atomy full time. One reason first is the passive income. So what is passive income anyway? So at first, we will do the 100% work, but we don't have the minimal income. But later on, if you will continue to do this business that could give you a passive income, 20% work only, you will do work, and then 100% will be your income. So in the beginning, when I started to do the business, I really did 100%. I almost work 24 hours, but the income is not so good. And then, but then now, as of now, as time goes by, I can only have the 20% work, but I can say that it's not yet 100% income because Atomy is promising us a huge income, right? So I'm not yet on the income of Imperial Master. That's why I cannot say that it's not yet 100 income, but I am receiving now a passive income here in Atomy. So okay, allow me for and this also from Warren Buffett. If I really love these quotes wherein he told that he quoted that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And I do not want to work until I die. That's the reason why I did the Atomy business too. So if we try to compare the active income and passive income, maybe most of you are doing the active income as of the moment, or you have a job which give you the active income. So here in active income, you need to work for income. You need to go to work in order for you to get a salary. While passive income, money works for you. Here in active income, there is involvement needed. You need to go to the office in order for you to get salary. While in passive income, it's called hands-off income, wherein at first, of course, you need to be involved in the business as well. But Atomy is a global business, right? So for as long as you have built the strong foundation of your leaders and consumers group, you can hands off, or you cannot you it's okay not to involve yourself frequently. You can just visit them, maybe once a year, something like that. But in active income, you need to be there every single day in order for you to get salary. Next, in active income, you have forced schedule. Like you need to go there like 6 o'clock until 8 o'clock, or you have certain schedule to follow. While in passive income, you don't have schedule to follow, and you have the time freedom. Here in active income, you have less risk. You don't need to have this capital, but then you have less reward. Like for example, those who are working already for long years, you can just only have the salary increase a little bit, right? While here in passive income, you have more risk, because the time that you will no longer working, you cannot receive salary. But then as you focus to do the Atomy business, and also a certain income that will give you passive income, then you will have the big reward in the future. Okay, next, in active income, no investment needed, only yourself. You just go to the office, that's it, yourself. But here in passive income, it involves investment. It involves your time, it involves your effort, and you need to invest also your money, especially if you have some partners in different parts of the world. You need to go there in order for them to grow, and in order for you to support them. So it really involves investment, monetary investment, time investment, and effort investment. And in active income, you will have steady income, while in passive income, you will have cash flow stream. Like for example, in active income, so those who are working since the beginning until they are 60, like for example, they work in a company for 30 years, their income might increase, their salary might increase, but just a little percentage. While here in Atomy, when you will be sales master, your income is like this. But when you will be imperial master, then the cash flow will be continuous, like river, or like the sea. Okay, next. Second reason, aside from passive income, is when I read the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad, that's the time I realized that being a teacher cannot give me, or cannot make me rich, while becoming a business owner can make me rich. So I would like to share with you the cash flow quadrants explained by Robert Kiyosaki from the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So we have the left side, the employee and the self-employed, and we have the right side, the business owner and the investor. So before I met Atomy, I was employed. And I am also a self-employed at the same time. I was employed as an English teacher, and I am self-employed because the I did the online selling. So here, the employee, if you are an employee, you make money by working for other people. So you have a boss, who will going to give you the salary, right? While being a self-employed, you make money by owning a job and working for yourself. So you will be your own boss, and you will give the salary to yourself. While business owner, you own a system that makes money for you. And one of the best example of this is Atomy. As you know, Atomy has a system that makes money to all of us, to all the members who will do the business. And for investor, your money or others people money works for you. With this case, if you have a lot of monetary capital, then you can be investor as well. But for the meantime, I would like to focus on being a business owner, and that is doing the Atomy business. Okay, so let's try to compare the employee and the self-employed, and on the right side, the business owner and investor. So the left side work for money, while the right side money works for you. And employee and self-employed has time base, while the business owners and investors system based, like Atomy, because we are now business owner. And the left side pay high taxes, while the right side pay lower taxes. And on the left side, they have limited freedom because they have the certain time schedule to follow, while on the right side, the business owners and investors have time freedom. Okay, it's up to you if you will going to what do you want until you die. Do you want to stay as employee or self-employed, or do you want to become a business owner or investor to have this perks on the right side? Okay, but don't worry, because we can move from being an employee and self-employed to a business owner. Okay, if you have the job right as of the moment, don't quit your job yet as you have your job. Like what I did, I have my job as an English teacher during that time, 2016, the whole of 2016, I have a job. So I did not quit, but what I did is attended the one-day seminar and Success Academy for 1 year without any absences. And with that, I learned the products. Now I can share with integrity. I can share now with confidence the products and the business as well, the marketing plan and all the things about Atomy. And then I also developed my communication skills in order for me to to share um to share it to a lot of people. So, and after that, after I quit my job, then I started to build duplication. I started to stop doing everything myself. So what I did is to duplicate myself to the leaders. First is in the Philippines. I focus on the leaders in the Philippines, and as of the moment, I am also focusing on the leaders in my team in Australia, so that they will become all IBO or individual business owners. So I teach them some simple steps. I use the products continuously, and I share the products to them as well, and I share my experiences, and and also I told them how important for them to plug into the system. So I did not focus to a lot of people, but I focus on leaders. That's the reason why, even if I'm not in the Philippines, even if I'm not in Australia, my business is still growing every single day and still working. It's because there are leaders that I already duplicated. So if you can do that, then from being employed and self-employed, you can become a real business owner here in Atomy, who will be earning a lot if you continue to do it until we will be at the top, or we will be at the ceiling limit. Okay, so if we try to analyze it, if you are an employee, you push the car. If you are a self-employed, you drive the car. If you are a business owner, you build the car. And if you earn a lot more here in Atomy, you can be an investor, then you will own the road, something like that. So, as from Kiyosaki, this quote: employees seek security, business owners build system, and investors seek freedom. So it's up to you if you want just to be like stable, you want to have a system or a passive income, or you want to have a freedom, time freedom, financial freedom, and all the freedom that you want. And he also told us that if you failed, that means you're doing something. If you're doing something, you have a chance. So, like for example, in Atomy business, if we failed in a certain strategy, example, we are applying a certain strategy, but then it failed, it's okay because you are doing something. What if you did the challenge here in Atomy and then you failed? It's okay because you're still doing something. It's better than doing nothing, right? And he said that if we are doing something, we will have a chance to become successful and to become rich here in what we are doing. Okay, so those are the reasons. And number three reasons why I choose Atomy is because of our founder, our president, Park Han-gil, who is a very kind and loving person. He said that Atomy is not a company that uses people to make money, but a business that helps people succeed together. Again, if we register a certain person, we will not use those people to make money. Instead, they are our goal in order for us to become successful, and let those people that we registered to become successful, and automatically it is also our success as well. And not only that, Atomy provides high quality products that uses organic herbal ingredients, so it's very safe, right? And also effective as well, because I am the living testimony when it comes to our products, especially our skincare. So all members have the opportunity to receive income, cash bonuses, and other rewards as well. And this is the tool for ordinary people to become successful and have a passive income. So I am just an ordinary person. I don't have a lot of monetary capital. That's why I really grab this tool, what we call Atomy, and use it as a tool to build a passive income for not only for me, but also until my third generation. Okay. And in Atomy, we are called personal platform owner, not only a local APPO or personal Atomy personal platform owner, but we own a global personal platform. We own, it's a global, not only local. So because in Atomy, so let's check some example of platform. Okay, first is we have different kinds of platform. First is the social media platform. This is an online platform for socializing and entertainment. So if you have the star quality, maybe you just not don't do the Atomy business, just be a social media star, because you can also earn with the having a social media platform. But if you are like me, I don't have star quality, just do the Atomy business. And in this platform, the owner of the system really earns a lot of money. Only give a few amount of money for those star, for the social media star, only few amount of money. Okay? The owner of the system will get much more money. And these are the example: Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, etc. So we have also some service platform here, online platform that connect customers to service provider like delivery services and transportation services like Uber, Grab, Lalamove, Food Panda, or Angkas. So these service platforms, the rider and the people who will going to ride the car cannot earn money, but the owner of this platform can earn a lot. Of course, the drivers can earn a few, but the owner of the system can earn a lot. While in selling platform, these are online platforms that connect consumers to online sellers. So if you are intelligent enough to make a system, and but I think since we have a lot of system now and they are now stable, if you make a new system, you are just only wasting your time, your money, right? Because there are already a stable system on the market. So you will just waste a lot of money, and a lot of your effort and time before it will boom like this example. Okay, so we have also selling platform that connects consumers to online sellers like Amazon, Alibaba, Lazada, Shopee, Temu, AliExpress, or Shein. This one, the owner of the platform can earn much. The seller can earn, maybe can earn too. but then the buyer cannot earn. What about the Atomy? Atomy Personal Platform is an online platform that curates and provide absolute quality and absolute price products to global members with shared value. So meaning to say, all the members in this platform have have the chance to earn money, to earn cash back, not unlike the selling other selling platform. Here in Atomy, we have global members with shared value. Not only that, if you are already a member of Atomy, you will earn three global online shopping mall. First is the Atomy Atomy Shop. Then second is the Aja Mall. And the third is the At G Mall or Atomy Global Mall for free. Okay, did not um the owner give it for free, give to us for free. Unlike the other platform, you need to pay if you want to use them. So if you don't have any platform, it's time to do the Atomy business because you will own three flat platform at the same time. Okay, and because of Atomy, I was able to have the chance to um, be at to be with the founder and given the chance to translate him during his visit in the Philippines, and also having selfie like this. And as a global leader as well, I was given the chance to translate with our imperial masters. And whenever they visited the Philippines, because I did the business 3 years in the Philippines before, and every time there are VIPs, I also go to the Philippines. And if I am there, then I am the translator at the same time. Not only that, not only the imperial master, but a lot of the VIPs um, who gave their vision lecture during their visit in the Philippines. Okay, and also as a global leader, I was able to visit Atomy Malaysia. It's for free. They invited me to have a vision lecture in Penang and also in, I think it's in Kuala Lumpur, and all for free, all paid, expense paid, like they pay for my hotel, my airfare, and everything. So you can have a chance if you will become a global leader also, then you will have a chance. And during that time, I always do the translation for our VIP in the Philippines way back. But then during this time when I did the lecture, somebody translated for me. Like I talk in English and then they translate it in Chinese and Malay. Okay, and as a global leader as well, I was able to visit Australia because I have some partners in Australia and I have a business partner center in Australia as well. And if I stayed as a teacher here in Korea, maybe I will just be here in Australia and in the Philippines, Australia in the Philippines. But as of the moment, I have visited a lot of different countries. It's all because of Atomy. So we can experience traveling all around the world while doing the business. So if you are a person who really loves traveling, then the perfect business for you is Atomy as well. And also, these are my partners in the Philippines. Every time that I have time to visit them, I made it sure that I can be with them and support them by cheering and also bonding with them as well. And I can tell that Atomy also is a family business. Before I was a breadwinner, so I always send money way back to the Philippines, especially when my siblings are still in the university. I send money to them and also some allowances. But now I don't send money because they are all earning in Atomy. Because you know, you look at my family picture, I am the eldest. My mom is a sales master. My dad passed away 2021 in COVID time. So my mom is a sales master and also receiving commission here in Atomy. So I don't need to send money to her anymore, like monthly, something like that. But if there is a special occasion, of course, or emergency, I will send. But then like other OFW or overseas Filipino workers doing right now. Monthly, every month they send money, and they didn't save for themselves like that. I'm no longer doing that because I gave them opportunity to do the business, and it's up to them if they were going to grab it and utilize the opportunity that I gave them and do this, then they will earn commission, right? And I am the eldest. I am a Sharon Rose Master. My second sister is a sales master, just recently promoted, because she is the last one who joined and did the atomy business. My one and only brother, is a diamond master. Next fourth on the my other sister, younger sister, is the center manager of our center in the Philippines, and she's also a Sharon Rose master. My another sister is a sales master, and my younger sister is still a special agent because she is not doing the business until now, but maybe she will do it later on. Okay, so I would highly recommend everybody that if you have siblings, if you have still your family, register them first, and then later on, you don't know if they will do the business or not. For as long as you need to give them the opportunity to be registered in Atomy. So later on, they could be your best asset, or they could be your best business partner as well. Okay, and before I end, I would like to share with you a video. Above a lonely sky, imagine all the people living for the day. And there's no country. I'll be killed or die. I know religion to all the people. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday gonna and the world. Okay, I would like to tell you that doing the Atomy business is not doing alone. You cannot do the Atomy business alone. You cannot become successful if you do the business alone. You need to hold hand in hand together with your sponsors and your partners in order for you to become successful, in order for them, your sponsors, to become successful, and in order for your partners to become successful. We need to have the super synergy of united heart as seen on the video. So I would like to tell you this: never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Thank you so much for listening to my lecture. Again, I'm Sharon Rose Master Lizelle S. Valle. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Lizelle. That was an amazing lecture. Really enjoyed it. Does anyone have any questions for Lizelle? This is a really great opportunity for you to ask, specific business related questions that we could, pick Lizelle's brains for all the information because she's got a lot of experience. Does anyone have a question, or does anyone want to share any, thoughts after this vision lecture that they've just heard? I'm not sure who, if I'll just change my, anyone put the hand up? Let me know. I have to look at the people's, if they've got the hand up. Hello? Anybody?
I will.
Yes, Jade has a question.
No, no, I just want to say really
Okay.
thank you for your time, cause I've never heard the about you, but I just watching the something happens in Brisbane group, because when I watching the Success Academy last time, the Filipinos group growing up, boom up. I couldn't see it, so I realize how the groups work, how the reader works, and then thank you for letting us know the how do you meet Atomy, and how did you start the Atomy, and the why why do this business. Um, it is it is really important to clear the why to all of us about this business. So tonight I will write down again about my why too. So really thank you for your time. Thank you.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, Malcolm.
Yeah, I get confused with passive income. Maybe I didn't understand what Rose said regarding passive income. You earn passive income before Imperial Master, surely. I mean, you can earn when do you start earning passive income? What level in Atomy,
So when
please?
you will, yeah, thank you for that question, Sir Malcolm. So when you will be an auto sales master, that's the time you will receive passive income. Meaning to say, even if you are not working, or even if you are not following up people, but you have a lot of people or consumers under you, uh, they are buying every single day, and you, like 15 days, you will be having this 2.5 million PV on the left and on the right, then you will be earning
Okay,
passive income like that. And for those people who are lower than auto sales master, they can also receive passive income, but you focus on the mastership bonus to earn more.
the
So
most
passive income
important.
means you are not working too much, but you are earning money.
Yeah, what I understand is the most important goal to set is to become an auto sales master. Is that correct?
That is your first goal, but your ultimate goal is to become Imperial Master.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Just only our first goal. It's not our ultimate goal, because auto sales master is only 2,000 AUD. It's just a small amount of money. So
Yep.
the Anatomy promises us to have how much in AUD? The in one Hannah, how much in AUD the if you are Imperial Master?
120,000 per month.
Per month, yeah, 120,000 per month. Anatomy is promise us to have this one. So only our starting goal is the auto sales, only 2,000 or 4,000 AUD a month. That's too little, especially in Australia. Everything are expensive.
Okay.
In the Philippines, it's okay, but in Australia, everything is expensive. So auto
Thank-
sales should not be your goal.
Okay. Thank you.
I have a question for Lizelle. My question is, when you look for your leaders, like what do you see in that person to focus for them to become one of your leaders, or what do you see in the qualities of that person? Do you like have some sort of criteria? Like for me, I kind of wait to see how they react or how they actually take initiative, and if they're proactive, then I will start supporting them, but I won't go like support them just like on my own first. I do want to see what kind of qualities that person has. So my question is, what do you have a criteria yourself? What do you set? Because I think this is people business, and when you meet a person, you go, okay, she's got the skills, or somebody might not. So yeah, is that?
Mm, for me, for my criteria, I
Yes.
usually support those who are submissive. Submissive. Like for example, if I told them to, let's have a challenge, and then yeah, okay, let's do it together, something like that. Or else you need to plug in yourself, and they plug themselves into the system. Like they have the same goal together with you. They are doing what you are doing, something like that. They are submissive or loyal, I don't know. But what if they are doing what I am doing, then my support is 100% to them. Like attending the seminars, I can see them attending the seminars, doing the demo and exerting effort. And also if I say something and then they do it, and then yeah, they have the initiative as well to grow their business too. Yeah, those are my
Yeah.
well,
So
my
they need, so for you, you think they have to have the same kind of energy level as you?
yeah,
Okay.
they need to do what I am doing, like attending the seminar, and also
It's
and they
hard to,
also
because
need
it's
to
hard
attend my
to,
leaders meeting. We have
oh,
leaders meeting.
yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Does anyone else have any questions? Let me.
I have a question.
Yes, Anne has a question.
Yes. So nice to meet you. And yeah, thanks so much for your speech. So I have a partner in other state. So for me to go personally to support is the easiest way is flying over, which is about an hour. So I've been going back and forth about 3 times now, and I'm just having a break this month, and I'll be going back in January. So if you have a partner that's abroad, how often or do you go there and stay with them for a couple of months until they settle into Atomy, or how do you support your partner that's not where in your area?
Okay. So when I started doing the business here I live in Korea, but then the problem is during that time, Koreans do not believe foreigners. So what I did is I went to the Philippines and lived there for 3 years. For 3 years, I lived there for 3 years, and then I built my team there. And then I went back to Korea during the COVID pandemic. And then what I did is after the COVID pandemic, I went there like every single month in the Philippines, single month. And I stayed there for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And then in Australia, because it's, you know, a little bit expensive when you go to Australia, right? So this year, 2025, I went there like every 2 months in Australia. And by next year, we are planning to maybe every 3 months. And in the Philippines now, since they are very stable, they can work without us. We only go there like twice in a year.
Right,
But
right.
in the
So,
beginning, I need to go there frequently. Like for 2 years,
mhm.
I went there for once a month and live there for 1 week or 2 weeks.
Right, 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 right. Yeah, because right now for me, I am still working full time and doing the Atomy exercise. So, it's not practical for me to go and support like, week or 2 week stay. Yeah, but yeah, so I'm just trying to find out how, without physically going and staying there with them, what's the best way to support them? Like,
Yeah. Now, yeah. So now we have, since the good thing is we have now Zoom, right? We have now Zoom.
mm,
So what I do with my Philippine partners, we have leaders meeting, because as I've told you, I focus on leaders. So I
mm,
have leaders meeting on Monday and Friday. So during
mm,
Monday, I have my Star Master, Anshim Jang,
mm,
grazing the leaders meeting, and every Friday I do it alone with the Philippine leaders. And every Wednesday we have also Australia leaders meeting every Wednesday, Zoom at night during
mm, mm,
their convenient time. And from time to time, if they have question, we use the messenger to call each other. That's the best way, especially if you are doing another job and you can go there like 2 weeks, as you said.
Yeah. So right now that's what I'm doing. Like,
Sorry, I think she got cut. It stopped. Okay. Do we have
it's very hard to explain.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay.
Sorry,
It's okay.
cut for a while. Yeah.
No, it's okay then. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, Leah's hand is up. Leah?
Leah Manila. Yeah, yes.
Hi, thank you very much, Sharon Rose Master Lizelle, for giving us so much empowerment in being our speaker for tonight. I have a question for you. I'm sure that me and you probably have the same, almost the same situation where my right leg, most of them are in America because I met Atomy there. So in that sense, how would you advise me about juggling between these two countries where my right is really in America, but my left I'm trying to build here in Australia? So what would be the best option that you can advise me or any of us here present tonight that may be in the same situation?
So you mean to say you also monitor the right side, which is in America? You also monitor, and then you also monitor on the left side together?
Yes.
Okay, the best advice that I could give you, your weaker leg, you have the Australian line, right?
No, my weaker leg is my right, which is in America, but my left has both America and Australia.
Okay, and then your right
Because
leg
my
is your weaker
sponsor
leg.
yes, so my right is my weaker leg, but my sponsor originally have helped me because she never thought that I would do this seriously. So as any of us, probably our left is always our best leg, right? Our left is always like promising, but now I'm struggling with my right because my right is just my American that are my personal these are the members that I have personally acquired by myself, and so with my other members. But then my left leg would be my Australia and a lot of the Korean family and friends that my sponsor have just dumped into the system, which I wish it was balanced, right? So that's the biggest struggle that I have.
So the suggestion that I can give you is you will be the one to balance it. So like you need to put some people on your right in Australia. So both side you can, since you are living in Australia, right? Then you need to have some leaders you can contact with face to face on the left and on the right as well. So since your right don't have any Australian members.
Actually, I started plugging in my Australian members on my right. So it's slowly, but still, it's very unstable. So maybe I
partners don't, and you did not choose, or you didn't choose the country of your residence, then you need to go there. Like for example, my sponsor, I think she's here right now, Anshim Jang. She's only the Korean with global line, both side. On the left side, I don't know if you are on the left side, Filipino and Australia, and on the right side, all Mongolia. So she doesn't have any member. She has some consumers in Korea, but then she has a lot of partners in overseas. And the disadvantage is she needs to go overseas. So she needs to go to Australia, to the Philippines, to Mongolia, like that. But then she said it's better to deal with with global leaders than
Locally.
Koreans living in Korea. I don't know. That's what she said. So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That was very helpful. Thank you.
Yeah. If you're spread out. Yes, Myung-ok, thank you.
Hi, Lizel. You look beautiful. When
Thank you.
I can see your vitamins. So, one of my members' skin is very dark. And then when I see your skin is brighter than anyone else, I know we all vitamins using the same product, but I'm wondering what is your favorite product? What makes your skin is so bright and so glow? I know, but I want to know what you're using, your favorites, and then I know you having skin trouble as well. So many people having skin trouble. So in the beginning, one of them is using the Atomy product, and then was getting better, and then one of them was getting back to the bad condition again. So when it's happened like this, how you to telling them to continue the product or something? And first of all, I want to know what is your favorite product for your skin. And then secondly, if someone has a skin trouble like this, and you have experience about someone has a bad condition and coming back, good condition, and then going back to bad condition or something, how you recommend it? Or yeah.
Yeah, I understand what you are saying. It's called cleansing process, right? They are using the product, and in the beginning it's good, but then after few weeks the pimples started to coming out. It's called cleansing process, right? Cleansing process. I experienced cleansing process as well. And you know, my sister Sharon Rose Master Julian Valle also experienced the cleansing process for 1 year, and she told me, I don't want to use the Atomy products anymore. Pimples are continue coming out like that. And then I said, if you want to become successful, you need to overcome the cleansing process. And it took her like 1 year or more than a year that the pimples continue coming out, but still she continued to do to use the Atomy products. And then until such time, after 1 year, the pimples are all gone, and now she has also bright skin like me. And my favorite my favorite skincare is the Evening Care, of course, and also the Absolute. And the Absolute is skincare. And do you know that the magic is in the peel off mask? You need to use it every single night. Or maybe you use it you know what our Imperial Master Gyujong Choi told us, the 3-3-3 technique. Like you do it 3 times a day in 3 consecutive days, and then you can see the effect. I also do that once a month, and it's really effective. And for those people who are undergoing like cleansing process, if they are just consumer, we cannot do anything about it. But if they are leaders, tell them to continue using it, and they need to overcome if they really need to become successful. Because for consumers, they're really afraid. If they have the cleansing process and continuously coming out, they will be afraid. And maybe it's good for you to tell them to stop if they are just consumers. But if they are leaders, tell them to use it consistently, especially the peel off mask. But then I would highly recommend, because when I have the cleansing process as well, I only use the deep cleanser, not too much deep cleanser, and then after I don't use the peeling gel. Maybe I will just use it. I use it like just for once a week, and then after that I only use the toner of AC, and together with the AC spot solution together, and then put it, and then peel off mask. That's it. Don't put the cream. Use like do it for 1 week, and then continuously monitor them. And then after you need to suggest another things to use if it's not if it will not work. And the foam cleanser also, let them like 5 to 10 minutes leave on the face, because the foam cleanser can kill the Demodex, the pimple causing germs or bacteria on the skin. So leave it for 5 to 10 minutes for those who have pimple problem skin.
Wow,
That's a good
thank you
tip.
very much. That was
Yeah.
amazing. I will giving them advice. Yeah, that's a really good tip.
Mm.
Thank you,
And
Lizelle.
continue to monitor.
Mm,
Continue to monitor. You need to let them do the peel off mask every night.
okay.
Okay. Let's see.
What does AC mean? The acronym AC. She
I
mentioned
think
AC. I didn't
Care.
understand. Huh?
Acne Care
Acne?
special. Acne Care.
Ah,
Acne
thank
Care.
you. Thank
I
you.
don't know if it's right pronunciation. Can you tell it, Sophie?
No, that's right.
Easy.
Acne. Yeah.
Acne Care?
Yeah. Acne care.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we are at 8:59, but it's a shame. This is a great opportunity to ask Lizelle any more questions if anyone has, or we'll have to let her go since it's been an hour.
Hi,
Actually, there
Rizal.
are lots of people asking about my tips because I already experienced those problems. Like I have dark spots like that, or dark scars, and then what made you like diminish the scar, something like that. There are lots of people asking me.
Oh.
Yeah, so what did you use? Someone
Yeah,
was suggesting use the derma to get the scar off.
what derma? You mean the laser?
No. Our derma set.
Derma
Maria
Cica? Oh, Derma
Yeah.
Real Cica is only for sensitive skin. I only use that during spring when I have rashes, but it will not make the deep scar shallow. The blue ampule is the best for the deep scars to become shallow. Put a lot. The blue
A lot.
ampule. Yeah, a
Okay.
lot.
A
Yeah.
lot.
The
Because
magic blue bottle is the blue ampule.
Is that also okay for the teenager to use? Because
They have pimples. The teenagers have pimples or not?
well, she's got the pimple and also the scar from the pimple.
I recommend the AC. The AC set. The AC
Just
set.
the
But if they don't have pimples, they can use the Derma Real Cica or the Hydra Brightening set for teenagers, because my kids are using the brightening. Of course, use also the evening care,
I guess
especially the foam cleanser, deep cleanser and foam cleanser.
Okay, thank
Do
you.
you have a lot of Hemohim users in Philippines, or?
Yeah, we have a lot of Hemohim users as well, because in the Philippines they are not used to take good supplements. So some people also, if they take only one sachet, they can get result. They can see immediately the result. So we have this huge users of Atomy Hemohim, and actually one of the top 5 best sellers in the Philippines is Hemohim. Yeah, I have a lot too. A lot
Awesome.
of consumers too of Hemohim.
Good, that's good. Okay. Well, I'll just wrap up. So I think we've had you for an hour. So thank you so much for giving us the vision lecture. Let's give a warm clap for Lizelle. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
everyone.
much,
Thank you, Hannah,
Rizal. Yeah, thank
for
you.
inviting me.
Yeah, so the Sharon Rose Master, Rizal, thank you so much. And then our English Zoom meeting, we're gonna break up for 3 weeks from today. So we're gonna start from 12th of January. So I'm gonna miss you everyone. So our link is always the same, and then same time in Sydney times 8 p.m. So we're gonna start again after the like a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and then there's a lot of Christmas parties, right? And then 12th of January. On Monday, we're gonna meet you all. And then the Korean meeting start from the 8th of January. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Merry
Thank you so
Christmas,
much,
everyone.
Lisa.
Happy
Thank
New
you so
Year.
much.
Merry
Bye,
Christmas.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.